Hey guys, Pretzel here, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're talking about some more Godzilla King of the Monsters figure news. First thing that we have up for today is really good, in my opinion. And that is, NECA has revealed a new figure, and that is the Neca Mothra 2019 poster version. And of course, you know, I say poster version because this figure is based off the Mothra poster that, you know, is right here in front of the screen. And is on one of the boxes, or all the boxes, and I've theorized that if they do make a Blue Mothra figure, which they have, that's the image that they're going to use for the front cover of the poster. And it does seem like that is the case, as far as I know, because they could use something else, but I imagine that that's what they're going to use. It would make most sense. But yeah, the figure is based off the poster, so and I know it could be a bit confusing for some people, saying that like, oh, Blue Mothra's in the movie, so ain't it just based off the movie? But I guess it's based off the poster version of the Blue Mothra, so I mean, I imagine they're basically the same thing, so it's not that big of a difference. But I think this repaint of the Neca Mothra is really, really good. I really like what they've done with this repaint. I think the blue and the greenish blue that's in the wings and on the figure in general is just really, really well done. And if I do ever get the chance, I will buy this immediately, but like, I don't know, it looks really good, but it's not a figure that I'm going to be like going out of my way to buy, because I usually buy figures that I want to be able to make stop motions with, and this figure is not what I'm going to be using for stop motions. It'd be great to have for like display, you know, to have on my shelf, you know, to add to my collection, which I had no problem with, but I want to focus on figures I can actually make stop motions with, and I don't really see any reason why I would make a stop motion with this Mothra if I have basically the same exact Mothra, just different colors. But I do think this Mothra is really good, and if I do have the money for it, and I just, like, you know, I see it in stores or something, then maybe I will pick it up, but I'm not gonna save up money just to buy this figure that I'm not even gonna do anything with. But the release date of this figure, or release month, I should say, is going to be May 2020. So that's pretty cool, I guess. Though I will say it could change, because thing happens all the time. You know, figures come out from NECA and it's like, oh, it's supposed to release here, but it ends up moving a month or two. You know, it happens all the time. I'm guessing that the NECA Burning Godzilla 2019 is going to release probably maybe February to March 2020. That's what I'm guessing. I'm hoping that it's sooner, because I do want to get my hands on that. But, you know, we'll just have to see in the future. But this figure just really just came out of nowhere. I was sitting in school, you know, taking a little bit of a break to check social media, to do, you know, whatever, and I just happened to go on Facebook, and I just scroll once, and boom, new figure, and I'm like, really? Just out of nowhere. Wasn't expecting that, like, at all. But yeah, it is really cool. I wonder what your guys' thoughts on that. So if you wanna share your thoughts, just comment down below if you would like to. But out of that, we have some more MonsterArts stuff, continuing from the video I made yesterday. we have new images of the MonsterArts Mothra and Rodan 2-pack box, and some photos of the figures themselves, and kind of close-ups, like in-hand images. These images come from a YouTube video. I don't remember the YouTuber's name, but I will be linking their video. I had to think of what it was called. I will be linking their video in the description down below, so if you want to check that out, then there you go. But in the images that we have, of course, new images of the box. And like I said before, I think this box is pretty cool. And we also have some images of what the figures are going to be looking like inside the box. We have Rodan at the bottom, and then Mothra above them. You know, kind of smaller. I was expecting them to, again, go with like a fighting kind of thing to make it look like they're going to fight or something. You know, try something, you know, like, oh, this is haha funny kind of thing. Maybe, I don't know. But, yeah, of course they didn't do that this time either. They just Rodan, Mothra. I mean, it looks cool, I guess. I imagine that some people are going to have an issue with the Rodan wings having that huge gap between the wings and the body, because, you know, of course, that's not movie accurate at all. So I imagine some people are going to have an issue with that, being like, oh, that just looks ugly. I mean, I'd agree with them. It does not look good at all. It doesn't even look like Rodan when he does that, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do to have the better articulation. I mean, the NECA figure's like that too, but it's not noticeable. I mean, it is, but no, not too noticeable. But that's because the MonsterArts has a lot more articulation in the wings than the NECA one does, but the prices you'll pay for articulation. And I guess there's not really much to say about the Mothra. I wonder if MonsterArts is going to do a blue Mothra. I wouldn't be surprised, honestly. But that's it for this video. Some interesting news for today. It's all good when new figures are revealed. That's the thing I like to see. I like to see the new figures. So yeah, not really much else to say. But hopefully I will be buying the NECA Godzilla 1964 this Monday, or maybe depending if NECA decides to release it on Amazon like tomorrow or something. But we'll see what happens, and I'll definitely let you know. And hopefully I'll have the figure between soon, because I don't want to wait like 2 weeks or something. But we'll see what happens. Hopefully we'll have some more figures being revealed. That'd be cool. Or maybe the Godzilla vs. Kong trailer. Maybe that'd be cool if that dropped this weekend. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Alright, just do this.